of you. This is Dunstan Christopher of Acktinos. Today I'll be talking to you about Armadillo. Armadillo will assist you in your ServiceNow upgrade to Orlando. You want to get to Orlando,
Paris, and beyond.
we can help you from Acktinos. This product essentially is in the cloud. It connects to ServiceNow and it helps you analyze your pre-upgrade activities. It helps you do your migrations between instances and to be able to do the analysis between instances. It helps you even after your upgrade to analyze your skip report in a meaningful way further, right? So the key factor is that it helps you to do your pre-upgrade analysis where you are able to see the changes that you're making and what are the custom objects that are there, what are the objects that you have customized that's out of the box. It helps you understand what are the specific features that you would be losing should you be keeping your custom work that you have done. It helps you to analyze your instance and provide a feedback as to how much of testing that needs to be done, your testing scope, your overall project timeline. It helps you to understand those pieces. And with Acktinos' help in consulting, you can get your upgrade done within few weeks. And we can work with you to get you to Orlando,
Paris, and beyond.
from wherever you are. Even during this Corona time frame, we can get you from London to Orlando. All right, let's go through this. We have essentially ServiceNow instances that are connected to via OAuth. You're just providing the OAuth credentials here, and so you're not using your credentials at all to pull the data back to do the analysis. And you have different best practices. We can talk about the best practice in the future, but let's just talk about how you connect to the ServiceNow. So ServiceNow, essentially you connect through the OAuth token. You have set up your OAuth on your side on ServiceNow as a OAuth client. Now you're connecting here by adding a ServiceNow instance to your Armadillo instance, and you can add as many instances as you want of the lower level environment, and you're able to run your analysis against the environment. So let's just say that we are running this against this specific environment, and you can have a best practice analysis run Java along with the JavaScript or future upgrade analysis. So you are on, say, Madrid, and then you want to move to Orlando. So you are able to see what are the changes that were part of the analysis, right? And then we already have this output available. So this gives you information as to, from a table point of view, what are the objects that are going to be changed. These are the specific tables that has the specific changes that you have customized, and these are all your table fields. This is adding a new fields to the tables, existing tables, and this is where you're showing that certain fields were being removed by ServiceNow during the upgrade. And then this is also all your custom work that you have done. What's interesting about that is that you're running this analysis when you are in Madrid and you're analyzing against Orlando prior to even doing the upgrade. So you have a clarity on what you're up against. And that's what Acktinos Armadillo provides, that understanding of what is to come, being the oracle of understanding to tell you what are the changes that are coming across, and providing you a feedback on the customized objects that you're making and how is that impacting the out-of-the-box solutions that you may lose by having that customization, so you can get back to the out-of-the-box solution as quickly as you can, and to be able to see, okay, well, this is what we're up against, and we can, through consulting with Acktinos, you'll be able to understand what is it you need to do to get it done quickly, along with automated testing framework, where we provide you automated testing framework scripts to run through your instances based on your requirements within a few weeks time frame to get you up and running. That's our consulting part of the business. But essentially, Armadillo provides you this analysis, and you're able to see what are the different objects. Take a look at this one here, to the client script. So you can see right off the bat, this specific script has a change to that. You're able to see the update set. Once you click on that, it'll get you the update set that you have made the changes to. And then this is a pristine object that's from ServiceNow, Orlando pristine instance, and you're able to see what is the difference between the two objects. And from here, you can essentially go to the objects that is in your instance, but here you can see the difference as to what exactly the differences are. So it gives you that feedback right off the bat, right from a one-page HTML page to be able to see all your changes that is to come, so you can have that. And there's also, that is not on the demo instance, but on the actual instance the customer will get for Armadillo, they will be able to see what are the specific out of the box functionality and features this change will impact your change that you have based on the comparison that's here. So those are different things that's part of the functionality that we will provide as we work with you closely. This tells you all the new fields that are being added of the upgrade onto tables, different tables, and the different objects that are associated to the table. And then these are the objects that are where the fields are being removed from the current version. What are the specific fields that are being removed there? So, and this tells you what are the custom objects that you have added. And there's 2 objects that you have added as custom, so you have an idea of all the changes that you have made, and that relates back to the changes that you have made to the update sets that's associated to that. So you're able to see the update set that is associated to that, and you're able to understand if there is a story that's associated to it, you can pull that. And if you have that marked on the update set, we can even help you to understand the story. We can pull the story in to show you what specific update set and what specific story that you have made this change for. So it helps you to understand overall state of your system and to be able to know what is to come as a change, and also to be able to see the different changes that ServiceNow is bringing in with the new version, and you're able to see all that on an object basis. And this helps you to understand the changes that is to come based to the out-of-the-box objects, and you're able to make some quick decisions as to prior to start doing the upgrade. You're able to make some project management decisions and where do you want to focus on from a testing scope point of view, and you're able to understand what are the different teams, that members that needs to be involved in your team to be able to put together a really good team to do your upgrade. And we provide you that as part of the Armadillo Enterprise package. And we also have ServiceNow best practices. This is one part which is part of the upgrade, and you can load the upgrade information here. So it basically analyzes the escape report, the specific instance that's been upgraded, and it gives you feedback on what are the specific objects that you need to focus on, and what are the specific objects that ServiceNow has indicated that you need to be focused on, etc. It gives you that information. And on the migration piece, you are able to compare the out-of-the-box customized objects between different instances and the custom objects, etc., to give you some feedback on what are the difference between the objects. And also from an update set point of view, you're able to also do the analysis of the update sets between the different instances, so you can see what is missing from an updates point of view, and what are the objects that you are missing from an updates point of view, what are the updates that you're missing. And also from an objects point of view, you can take a look at the objects within the update set to give you some feedback on that. We can talk about that on the further videos that are coming up. So thank you for your time, and provide us feedback as you go through the demo instance at some point when you become customer of ours, and look forward to working with you with Acktinos. So find us on Acktinos.com. Click on upgrade now, and you can register yourself here to talk to us and understand how we can help you to get to Orlando,
Paris, and beyond.
from wherever you are, London to Orlando, Madrid to Orlando, New York to Orlando, even during this time when there is Corona going on and all of you are indoors. We are able to get you from one city to another city very quickly. Just joking, by the way. Anyway, thank you for your time.